Hello! In this video, we'll take a closer look at Tickmill trading conditions, advantages and disadvantages, and the bonuses available for traders. Tickmill has been operating since 2014 and is regulated by several major financial authorities, including the FCA in the United Kingdom, CySEC in Cyprus, as well as regulators in South Africa, Seychelles, and the UAE. This strong regulatory framework is one of the broker's key advantages. The broker provides access to Forex, stock CFDs, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and bonds. Tickmill is especially known for its low spreads and fast order execution. Tickmill offers several account types, with the most popular being Classic and Raw. The Classic account comes with zero commission and spreads starting from around 1.6 pips. The Raw account is designed for active traders, featuring spreads from 0 pips and commissions starting at around $3 per lot. The minimum deposit is $100, while leverage can reach up to 1,000 depending on the trader's jurisdiction. Clients can trade using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the proprietary Tickmill Trader platform. Demo accounts and Islamic swap-free accounts are also available. Among Tickmill's biggest advantages are low spreads and competitive commissions, fast account opening and simple verification, regulation by trusted financial authorities, support for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and a wide selection of Forex pairs and CFDs. However, there are also a few downsides. For example, Tickmill does not offer cent accounts for beginners, and customer support is only available on business days. Now let's talk about Tickmill bonuses. One of the broker's most popular promotions is the $30 welcome bonus with no deposit required. After registration, users receive a special welcome account that allows them to trade with real funds without investing their own money. If trading is successful, profits of up to $100 can be transferred to a live trading account after meeting the broker's requirements. However, there are some restrictions. The bonus is not available in all countries, and certain trading strategies, such as arbitrage and some expert advisors, are prohibited. In addition to the welcome bonus, Tickmill also offers rebate programs and partnership opportunities with payouts of up to $10,000. Tickmill is a well-regulated broker with low trading costs and strong conditions for active trading. It can be a solid choice for both experienced traders and beginners looking to test the market through the welcome account bonus. Have you traded with Tickmill before? Share your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.